Hi Lakers, it's Becca here. Today I was able to talk to the women's and men's bowling coaches, which is Ryan and Jake. I was able to ask them their thoughts and feelings about the upcoming spring bowling season. So enjoy, and thank you for watching.
Hey Laker Nation, Ryan Harkrader here with the women's bowling team. And we've had an exciting fall season so far. We've gotten to do some of our 4-year events. Gives our girls and our guys a chance to get out there and show those 4-year schools what they're made of and work on some transfers. Heading into our winter and spring schedule, it also gives us a lot of excitement going in. Some of those key matchups we're looking at for the women's side would be Jackson College is always a tough team, really well coached, good group of girls. And within our eastern side of the conference, St. Clair Community College, SC4, is usually pretty tough for the women's events as well. All in all, based on our fall, we feel really good about this group. We've got a good mix of freshmen and a good mix of returners coming in with some experience. And we really feel that we're balanced well to make a pretty good run within the conference and the Region 12 tournament. And who knows, if everything clicks, this team's got some potential to make some noise in the national tournament as well. So, Jake, what do you think on the men's side?
Coach Thelen with the men. I think we had a really good fall season. I think we got a lot better in different ways from tournament to tournament. We've got 8 guys from fall and going into the conference season. There's a couple pretty stiff competition teams there on the guys' side. Jackson College in the Western Conference is always really tough, and Schoolcraft on the Eastern side is going to make it tough on us too. But I like our chances. I think we got a really good group, and we're hoping to make some noise at the MCCA Region 12 tournament. And same thing with the women. I think we've got the horses where if we show up, I think we can compete at the national level too. So we're also really excited about what we've got this year on the guys' side.
These teams are really special. The bond they're starting to create, even between the men's and the women's team, is something special to watch as it continues to grow. But then within our own teams, at least I've noticed on the women's side, they're really close. They've got each other's backs, and I've always felt that our best teams tend to rise to the top because of their ability to get along as a group. So that gives us some reason for some excitement heading in. If you're interested in following the Lakers this spring/winter, we do try to live stream all of our events, and our first event will be Friday, the first Friday of the new year, January 4th, I believe it is. But it is that first Friday in January at Wayne County, and then we'll be every Friday for the next few weeks. You can also follow us on midmich.edu/athletics, and then you just got to choose the bowling portion of that drop-down menu, and you can find our schedule and whatnot for events and keep up on how we're doing. All right?